Can we get some heat so I don't have to wear my hood? Hello. What's going on, guys? It's Dave and Steve. This is GV8 Ghettovanadventures. We're not sure what it is. It's a Toyota. It's a Corolla, 2002 Toyota Corolla, and gonna do spark plugs on it. And I'm gonna film, and Steve's slinging the wrenches. Okay, so we take off the cover so we can access the plugs. What size socket is that?
That would be a 10 mil.
10 mil?
Yes, it would.
Here.
Ooh.
Now, what you're doing is, these are the coil packs, and underneath here, it's coil unplugged. So underneath there is the
engine.
The spark plugs. Now that's just a push and pull. Well, maybe that one isn't. That one was a little more difficult there.
Just like that.
10 millimeter again?
Yep.
Now, if I might, I'm just going to digress for a second. Hold on. Do you see what Steve's putting his the nuts and bolts in? It's a low magnetic tray. There, see? Low magnetic tray. You stick it on. Wonderful when you're working on cars.
I have lots of them.
He does. He does.
I have a collection of them. All different shapes and sizes.
Yeah. See? So after that, you carefully pull your coil up. Now that's your coil. That's your ignition coil.
Well lubricated.
Yeah. There's a gasket.
Yeah. They're hurting. Spare parts.
At least it fell down to the ground.
Yeah, we gotta find that. Here's the other one.
And now it's just taking out the spark plugs. Is that 5/8?
Yes, it's
yeah, 5/8. Is that one kind of loose?
The number 2 was.
Now we'll keep these in order so we can take a look at them after. It's my car, nothing's cooperative. They don't look bad. They look clean, non-oily, but they've been in there a while. A little extended gap. Now what Steve's doing here is we're going to clean them up, get this garbage off them since we're going to reuse them.
So we're going to brake clean it, get the oil all out of it, and blow them all out.
Get them all nice. That's a replacement coil.
Yep. Alright, we'll blow them all out now.
I'll stand back here while he does it. And that's what's going in it.
Shiny new ones. Look at that.
Nice new NGKs. Okay, so we're putting little anti-seize on the spark plug threads. Just a little. Look at that, all nice and clean. So Steve checked the gap on these spark plugs before put them in, 44. And now he's gonna give them a little zip in. And he hand tightens it just to make sure you don't cross thread things. Once it's started, you can zing them on down.
I've seen guys zip these in and just
Don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good way to crack a spark plug.
Yeah. How tight do you put that, Steve? One on the bunga? Get it snug. Give it a.
It's not a full. It's just a kind of a 3/4.
Yeah. You don't go crazy reefing it down, but you just want to make sure it's snug and in there, and it's not going to back out.
It's a feel thing.
Yeah. And the biggest thing I can tell you is if this is your first time, get somebody that knows cars to help you out and do that, because it'll be a lot easier in the long run. And car guys like to help people. You know what I didn't film?
What?
Steve put a dab of dielectric grease on the coils, just on the mouth of the coil, so when it goes over the spark plug. I gotta film that, I don't know why. So yeah, drop the coils back into place, seat them on the spark plug, and put in the bolts, tighten her down, give it a little zing in.
One ugh. There we go.
All in. Now it's just a matter of making sure they get seated in. Snap the cover on. And tighten them on, and done. Purring like a kitten. Guys, that's about it. All 10 mil to take everything off.
5/8 for the spark plug.
5/8 for the spark plug. Take your time. It's not a big job. But if you're unsure and you know somebody that works on cars, get them to sit with you, and they can help you if you run into any problems. But pretty easy. Anyway, guys, that's about it. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.
Have a good day.